tornado warning in Indiana. Tornado confirmed up there. Oh, there's two. Wow. The Indy stations are covering that, I bet. And wow, these storms are... That's a text. I'll put it in the text, the description, don't worry. And that one's been out for about 5 minutes. Greene and Martin counties. The ND channel, I think. Apparently there are 2 tornadoes on the ground up there in Indiana. Well, let's see if they're covering it. Okay. There you have it, folks. Severe thunderstorm warning.